Hey everybody, we wanted to do a short video to kind of let you know what we did during Hurricane Milton, and we're going to go over that with you when we come right back. All right, so we actually decided to escape Hurricane Milton just because it got to be so bad. We the forecast was going to be at one point was going to be a 3 coming across the state.
Yeah, they thought it might hit the Tampa area, or at least the West Coast, as a 4. Come in hot. It came in hot anyway.
Yeah, be inland as a 3 and right across where we were. And I will show you some. I'll actually put a picture up of where our rig actually was during the hurricane. It was kind of the island right over
where we would have been.
Where we would have
had
been.
We not hitched up and left.
Yeah,
so we're right there now.
So we ended up in Tallahassee. And the first night we stayed at the Tallahassee Auto Museum, which is this really cool place.
Yeah, if you've never been to the Tallahassee Automobile Museum, it is more than just automobiles. Okay, we're just going to say that. So it's a single person. It's his collection.
Yeah,
and I know his first name's DeVoe. I'm trying to remember his last name, but it's DeVoe anyway. And his personal collection. And boy, has he got a wide variety of things he's collected. This was our second time there.
Yeah, it's a harvest host.
Exactly.
So if you have harvest host, you can stay there for free one night. They were going to let us stay more. I think because of the storm, they were going to let us stay more. But Amy actually found this fairground in Tallahassee where we are right now, which is actually really cool. They've got, it's gated, so you have to have a code to get in. They actually had police.
They did, because they left this gate open up here.
Yeah.
For people to come in at different times. And people who stay here, some of them are working in the area. So they had a police officer stationed right there every day.
Yes. Yes, it was right. So they had security, and
we had hookups.
We actually, there was where we are, there's not many campers. As you can see, there's a few of them around.
Quite a few have left.
Quite a few have left, and then down below was where a lot of them were. They had all lined up when we first got here. Yeah, so we kind of when we first got here, there was actually a couple of lots that were pretty full, and then we found a guy. He sent us up here, and this has actually been pretty good.
Right.
We didn't really get much wind here at all, and a little teeny bit of rain. But man, we are so glad that we escaped this storm, because it was just devastating. I'm watching the news, and my heart goes out to these people.
I mean, after Helene was literally less than 2 weeks ago.
You got to pray for these people, that they've had a 1-2 punch that's just been awful. And the East Coast didn't even really expect to have anything, and they had 36 tornadoes actually touched down
here in Florida. In
literally
southern and central Florida, there was 36 tornadoes touched down.
Yeah,
there's only so many confirmed. So the National Weather Association, NOAA, whoever does it, they're going to go out and confirm that. The ones that people reported, but there are videos of the ones that they can't deny.
Yeah.
So there's that, and those took people by surprise, because that's not ever happened before. We had over 200 and something warnings.
Yeah, right.
They were just stacked upon each other.
Yeah.
So that was worse than the hurricane for a lot of people.
It was awful. I mean, of course, the West Coast was bracing, but the East Coast didn't expect these. They didn't expect this to happen.
No.
And I mean, I was watching the news, and this one weather guy said, "I've never seen this before. I've never seen Florida at all have big hurricanes, tornadoes like this."
Channel 9 in Orlando, and he's been doing this a long time.
Yeah, it was.
He's one of the ones we watch.
It's just devastating. So our hearts go out to those people, and we need to pray for them. But we'll show you kind of around there's buildings. This fairground has big, huge buildings, of course, like normal fairgrounds they have for livestock and stuff like that.
Getting ready for a fair, so I don't know where some of these people, because we'll show you that there's a Red Cross shelter here. And
Yeah, there
some
is.
of the other RVs that were here, but we got here, we're probably here from Helene.
Yes.
And they probably can't go home yet. And we know that as of Sunday, October 13th, they weren't taking any public reservations because they have a fair coming and they have people who come and stay here.
Yeah.
We were at the North Florida Fair RV Park. That's what it's called.
Yes.
And it was $35 a night. We called, we made the reservations. They sent us the link. We in an email, and then we went. I went online and I paid, and we came in. So we were supposed to park. They said originally in lot A or B, so we came in that direction. And like he said, it was pretty full.
Yeah.
So
They came with water and electricity.
yeah, they had 30 and 50
30 and 50.
hookups.
Yeah.
And they have water hookups, and then they do have a dump station
Yes, they do.
that we would be using where we take off today.
Absolutely.
So we're going to try to go back to where we're supposed to be today.
All right. So, yeah, it's the first time we've really had to run from a hurricane. We've been through a few of them, but this one we just felt we needed to go, and we're really glad we did.
We are.
All right.
So,
Well, thank you, everybody, and thanks for watching.
All right, so if you liked the video you saw today,
give us a thumbs up.
give us a thumbs up, yes, and please subscribe to the channel. So we do videos like lifestyle videos and repair videos and review videos we're going to be doing, and for products and different things like that. So
And actually, for that,
we have
a new website.
a new website called romersrvgear.com. Please check out that website. You can go on there. I do articles. Sometimes I'll have a video in there too that we did in the article. And there'll be clickable links that you can actually buy the products from the people that
we bought from.
that we bought from. It actually helps us out. It doesn't cost you any more money. Matter of fact, you save money sometimes by clicking on those links. And yeah, that would be really great if you could check that out for us.
And the last thing is click the bell to get notifications. So when we have more videos that come out, you'll get notified.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.
You're funny.
Good.
Call it a day and celebrate.